Flags can feel static and dead in open worlds. That pain vanishes when you drop in these pre-animated beauties. They sway and flutter like they own the wind. Each flag comes with multiple wind strength presets baked right into the animation. You can place a dozen in a scene and everyone moves naturally without any extra scripting. Perfect for castles, towns, or fantasy campsites. Setup is a breeze. Drag a prefab, scale it, and it just works. The URP-compatible materials make them look clean even on mobile. No fiddling with shader graphs. A perfect 5-star rating from nearly 60 developers. They love how these flags breathe life into exteriors without tanking performance. The animation loops are fixed, so irregular wind gusts need a second prefab variant, but you can stagger start times to break up repetition easily. For $10, that works out to less than $1 per flag variant. Treat your medieval scene to some motion that doesn't cost a dime in runtime overhead. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Looking for characters that pop with personality? Yippy Kawaii delivers an army of adorable low-poly friends ready for your URP project. Instant charm injection. Over 40 unique character models with rigged skeletons and full animations. Idle, walk, run, wave. They are perfect for casual games, school projects, or any scene that needs a dose of cute. The art style is unified and clean, so they all sit in the same world without needing retouching. The URP shaded materials keep them bright and friendly even under harsh lighting. With 42 5-star reviews, the community agrees these characters are a steal for the variety you get. The rig is not compatible with generic humanoid avatars, so you cannot retarget motion captures. But the included animations cover most needs, and you can blend animations from the same set. $14.60. That is about 30 cents per game template character. A huge time saver if you need a cast fast. Ever spent hours modeling stage speakers and lights for a concert scene? PBR Stage Equipment hands you a complete backline in one download. Weekend project fuel. This pack includes high-detail PBR models of amplifiers, subwoofers, lighting rigs, and DJ gear. Street credibility for any music venue or party scene. The textures are made for URP, so they load quickly and look physically accurate. The polygon counts are reasonable. You can fill a stage without killing performance. 35 reviews all give 5 stars. Developers call it the most complete stage prop set on the asset store. The models are fully textured but unanimated, so no flashing lights or spinning speakers. You can add your own animations easily with a simple script though. $15, freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. For the same price as a sandwich, you get a whole concert setup. State machines are the backbone of game AI and game flow, but coding them from scratch is tedious. Visual State Machine turns that into a drag-and-drop joyride. Build complex state machines visually in the editor, no coding required. Transitions, conditions, and nested states all snap together, perfect for enemy AI, menu flows, or ability systems. It comes with a library of built-in condition nodes like distance checks and timers. You can extend everything with your own custom conditions and actions, so it grows with your project. With a flawless 5-star average over 31 ratings, users say it is the fastest way to prototype game logic they have ever tried. The tool does not automatically convert existing code-based state machines. You rebuild them visually, but the visual representation often makes your logic cleaner and easier to debug. $10, for that price you skip 40 hours of hand-coding state managers. Less than the late fee on your last parking ticket buys you clean visual AI. Flat shaded Toon looks are cool, but they can feel a bit lifeless without edge detail. Toon Detailer adds cavity maps and contour lines in one click. Instant depth. This shader generator bakes ambient occlusion-like cavities and outline contours onto any Toon material. Your characters suddenly have readable creases and pop without breaking the Toon aesthetic. It works directly inside URP with no external plugins. You adjust strength and color in real-time sliders so you can tune the amount of detail per prop. Just 12 reviews so far, but all 5 stars. Early adopters rave about how it turns flat models into visual treats. The effect is best on low-resolution textures. Highly detailed textures may look muddy. Use it on stylized assets for maximum impact. $15. If one client project uses this shader, you have paid it off 100 times over. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Lighting can make or break a scene, but tweaking every emitted light is exhausting. Creative Lights gives you a collection of animated light effects ready to drop in. Dozens of prefabs, flickering candles, neon signs, laser beams, fireflies, and more. Each has built-in animation that respects URP shadows and volumetric fog. You can adjust color, intensity, and speed per prefab without touching code. A slider-heavy script on each light lets you tune mood in seconds. Only 5 reviews so far, but all 5 stars. Users say these lights instantly upgrade their scenes from flat to atmospheric. The pack focuses on point and spotlights. Area lights are not included. You can fake area effects with multiple spotlights though. $14.50. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Your scenes will thank you. UI can feel stiff and boring when it just pops in. UIMotionFX tool lets you animate menus, buttons, and panels with motion sequences that feel polished and professional. This tool provides a visual timeline where you define entrance, exit, and hover animations for any UI element. You can chain moves, scales, rotations, and fades without writing event triggers. It integrates directly with Unity's UI system and URP, no extra canvas setup. You apply effects as components and tweak them in a timeline editor that feels like a lightweight animation tool. 5-star across 5 reviews. Early users call it a must-have for any game with dynamic menus. The tool works best with simple transformations. Complex path animations are not supported. For those, you can combine multiple components or use a dedicated tweening library. $7.50. At this price, you can test it risk-free and return it if it doesn't fit. That's a no-brainer for polished UI. Lava in most games looks like a flat orange texture. This real-time shader gives you glowing, flowing magma with heat distortion that feels alive. The shader simulates flowing lava channels, pulsing brightness, and emissive glow, all in URP. No particles, no custom geometry, just a material on a planar mesh. You control flow speed, glow colors, and distortion intensity through simple parameters. Adjust them in real time to match your scene's mood, from smoldering red to electric blue. Perfect 5-star from 5 reviewers. They love how this shader makes volcano scenes look AAA on a budget. The shader works only on flat surfaces. It does not conform to complex terrain. Use a plane or simple mesh and it will look great. $7.50. That is long-term value. You will use this across dungeon floors, fantasy lava rivers, and industrial effects for years. Finding realistic soldier animations that don't look robotic is a challenge. Kevin Iglesias delivers a polished set that makes your characters move with weight and purpose. Over 40 animations covering idle, walk, run, crouch, shoot, reload, and melee. Each one is motion captured and hand refined for a natural feel. The animations are fully root motion compatible and loop smoothly. You can blend them with any humanoid character model. Just drop on your rig and go. 11 reviews average 4.82 stars. Solid confidence from the game dev community. The set does not include any weapon models. You provide your own firearms or swords. The animations assume generic holding poses that work with standard weapon sizes. $15, that is incredible value. You get a professional soldier's walk for less than a coffee. Your whole combat movement set is sorted. Unity's terrain system works fine, but if you need to bring your terrain into another tool or use custom shaders, converting to mesh is a pain. Terrain Converter does it instantly. Convert any Unity terrain object into a high-quality mesh while preserving height, texture splat maps, and vegetation. Output clean meshes that work with MicroVerse, Gaia, or any tool that accepts mesh terrain. The tool supports Unity 6 and older versions, and can batch convert multiple terrains at once, ideal for pre-processing levels or exporting to external renderers. 5-star across 5 ratings. Users appreciate the time savings and clean results. The conversion can generate high poly meshes. You may need to decimate or LOD for runtime use. The tool includes a decimation slider to help. $10. This is the missing piece in your terrain pipeline that unlocks all your other terrain tools.